Watch this video to learn how to play Leftover Popcorn from Piano Adventures 2A. Today we are in the Piano Adventures 2A lesson book, and we are looking at the page of Leftover Popcorn. This is page number 13 in the book. Before we begin, I want to call your attention to this at the very top of the page. We need to talk about this sign right here. This sign is called a natural sign. A natural sign is essentially a cancel sign. When you see a natural sign in the music, it cancels out a sharp or a flat that has come before. A natural will always be a white key. There is one natural on this page. Can you find it? It's not in the first line. It's not in the second line. It's right here in the third line. If we did not have that natural sign there, we would still play F sharp, because sharps always carry through, so do flats, in the same measure, unless you see a natural sign. But because we have that natural sign, we know that that is going to be F natural, the white key. Now let's take a look at how to play this song. Some basics about the song. It's in 4/4 time. That means we're going to have 4 beats every measure, and a quarter note is going to get 1 beat. It says to play it cheerfully, and if we look right here, our starting note for our right hand is on C. And over here, we find out that our thumb and our second finger are going to be on G and F. This means that we're in the C scale position for both hands. So let's go ahead and put our hands on the keyboard in C scale position. This is middle C right here. That's where my thumb for my right hand is going to go. My left hand is going to go just below it. Now, the first line is primarily the right hand. Let's look at what the right hand does first. It starts on C, D, D, E, C. So the rhythm is ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Then we go D, D, E, E, F. So ti, 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 ta. Let's try those 2 measures together. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, 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 ta. Ah, good. Now, for the next 2 measures, our thumb for our right hand is going to drop, and the rest of our hand needs to follow. So, your left hand's going to play 1 and 2 together, and your right hand's going to go B, C, D, B. Now it's going to be 1 and 3 in your left hand, and C, D, E. Let's try those together. I'm starting at measure 3. 1, 2, ready, begin. B, C, D, B, C, D, E. Let's play from the beginning through measure 4. 1, 2, ready, begin. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, 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 ta. Ah, drop. Ta, 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 ta. Great. If you need to, you can pause the video and practice that again. I'm going to move on. So this is the last note of measure 4. It's a pickup beat. We go G, C, just like the beginning, D, D, E, C. Now this is different. It's going to be both 2s, and they're both going to move out. So both 3s and both 4s. So let's look at those 2 measures again. We're going to start on the 4th beat because it's a pickup beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Both 2s, both 3s, both 4s. Rest. Good. Now the next part, it's going to start on G up here, and we're going to go G, F sharp, G, F sharp. That one is still sharp because we haven't had a natural sign yet. So G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. Now natural F, E, 1 and 2 in your left hand, and 1 and 3. Let's play that last line together. 1, 2, ready, begin. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. I'm going to start at the pickup to measure 5. That's the last beat of measure 4. And we're going to play from there to the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ta. Rest. Ti, 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 ta, 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 ta. Now, I haven't really talked about phrasing or dynamics yet, so I do want to point them out to make sure that you are playing them when you practice. It's mezzo piano for almost the whole song. So the first 2 lines are going to be all mezzo piano, but at the end we go forte. So the last line is going to be loud. We also do have some phrasing marks that we really have to look at. We have this legato mark right here in measure 6, and then we have legato here, but from here to the end, it's all staccato. So smooth, detached, 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 detached. Also, finally, please do note that there is a repeat sign at the end. Now you know everything you need to know to practice leftover popcorn this week. Please play it for 5 minutes per day. Begin by playing the individual phrases, focus in on that last line, and then play the entire piece. As you play, here are your mastery checkpoints. Are you playing the correct notes, the correct rhythms? Check your tas and TTs to make sure they're right. Do you have the legato and staccato markings in the right place? Are your dynamics correct? And are you playing it at speed? I hope you have a great practice week.